Whether you prefer to eat homemade beef jerky on a camping trip or you like to meal prep far in advance, chances are you've seen the benefits of adding a food dehydrator to your arsenal of kitchen appliances. Temperature range is one feature that should be top of mind when shopping for a food dehydrator for home use, says Tiffany Sage Swan, retreat chef, food scientist, and author of Confidence in the Kitchen. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 food dehydrators on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Capacities Food Dehydrator for Jerky. If you're a jerky fan, you're in for a treat with this food dehydrator. We found that the device came to temperature fairly quickly and stayed there. We were impressed with how evenly it dried ingredients, no matter where it was stacked. There was no cracking, and the fruit leather peeled off easily. While it does hold lots of jerky and other ingredients, this medium-sized dehydrator won't take up your entire counter while in use. We liked how easily the side door opens and closes, making it super simple to load and remove trays. In fact, we preferred using the side door. The front has a convenient glass window to keep an eye on your ingredients, but we did find it a challenge to pop it open. The digital controls made it easy to adjust time and temperature, so overall, it's great for all of your meat jerky recipes. Number 2. Nesco FD75A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. If the sheer size of some of these food dehydrators gives you pause, check this one out. It has a round design, which makes it stand out from the other square and rectangular models on our list. We liked that the convenient handle on the top made it easy to open the dehydrator, though we found the round design made loading in the trays a bit trickier. This food dehydrator is simple to use, which is normally a good thing, but we would have preferred more precise temperature control as opposed to the dial with preset temperature ranges. There's no timer, so you'll need to remember to set your watch, smartphone, or tablet when you're dehydrating batches of ingredients. As a result, we found that the ingredients dried a bit unevenly, so you might have some trial and error your first couple of uses. Number 3. Elite Gourmet EFD 319 Food Dehydrator. If you're brand new to dehydration or know that you won't be drying ingredients very often, you might be daunted by the price tag on some of these models. That's why we love this effective and budget-friendly appliances from Elite Gourmet. There aren't a lot of controls to fiddle with on the 5-tray dehydrator, which makes it even easier for first-timers to get acclimated. However, the single knob with temperature ranges doesn't allow for more precise temperature control, so it might be frustrating for more veteran users. While the device never came to full temperature and the bottom trays dried quicker than the top and middle levels, we still found that everything came out well. Overall, we love that this model has a compact footprint, which is not something you can always say about food dehydrators. Still, despite its smaller size, we felt the capacity was as big or even roomier than the other models we tested. Number 4. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine. After testing 18 models, we found this to be the best food dehydrator. The device reached the desired temperature after 40 minutes and stayed consistent the entire time. As a result, the ingredients dried evenly without any cracking, no matter whether we placed them on a high, middle, or lower tray. Many of the best food dehydrators we tested were substantial appliances, so know that this machine will take up a moderate amount of room on your counter. However, it's super quiet, so we feel like this advantage balances out its large size. The front door is easy to open, and it will stay open to slide the trays in and out or adjust the contents on the trays. The display and temperature controls are easy to use, so if you're new to dehydrating food, you'll get up to speed rather quickly, even though we found herbs dried slowly. Number 5. Samson Silent Dehydrator. We found that this dehydrator lived up to its name. It was very quiet compared to the other devices we tried out. We also liked that the LCD digital control panel was easily accessible on the top of the machine's front side. We were impressed by its ability to dry ingredients evenly no matter where we placed the trays. The fruit leather not only dried quickly, but it was easy to peel off, too. We also like that though this machine is medium-sized, it's not tremendously tall, so you could stow it in a corner under cabinets if you wanted to keep it out of sight. The metal trays are durable, too, definitely sturdier than some of the plastic trays in other models we tested. Product details, dimensions, 18.98 by 14.02 by 14.72 inches, number of trays, 6, temperature range, 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, not listed. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.